Good morning, this is Ryan Mallory for Shareplanner.com. It's the morning of October 27th, 2010. I'm going to use this video podcast to go over 3 day trades that I made this morning among 2 stocks. First one being FFIV and the other being BRCM. Out of the 3, one of them was successful, the other 2 not so much. Let's go ahead and begin with FFIV. I got the 1-minute chart up here for you to see. What I'm looking at here is a breakout of this price level right here. So a shade below 115. I did get in there shortly thereafter at around, I'm going to tell you right here, I got in around 114.89. So as you can see, as we progress through the trade, charts here. Okay, as we progress through the trade, get a nice little pop out of it, get us just about up to 116 or so, and then we pull back. I don't think, from a mental standpoint, I handled this trade as good as I should have. I got out right here at around 113, and I think 113.95 I got out at, and I probably should have held on until we established a lower low, which would have been right around here, which we never did, and it would actually have kept me in the trade for a good while, to where we went up as high as 117, as you can see here. So there was a profit opportunity in this particular stock. I didn't get to experience that. I would say that it was more of my own self-doing than anything else, but overall it's a good lesson for me to learn. This stock was a pretty wild one. I mean, it was swinging, 50, 60 cents, within seconds. So there was definitely a lot of whipsaw action in this particular stock. So there you have FFIV. The other one where I did actually 2 trades in, BRCM, and same play. We're looking for a break of the morning highs. We got it here at $14, or I'm sorry, $40. And from there we move up very nicely. I got out at around, I want to say, tell you right here, got out at a quarter of a lot at 40.25, and then another at 40.36, and then sold the remaining portion at 40.22. So I got to realize most of this rise up here, but then on this pullback I decided to cut it off. So, but then I got back in again, and I don't think it was a bad trade getting in, but it definitely didn't work out. It was profitable at first when it broke these highs here, and when it broke those highs, it went up for about 5 minutes or so, and then it just tanked right on after, and it wasn't helped much by the way the general markets were behaving as well. So that was working against it, and finally it bottomed, but by the time it had bottomed, I was well out of it. And it does a good job of going back up to around 40.75 and establishing new highs. Now, one could say that I could have played this breakout here, but after we have one failed breakout, I'm not going to play it for two failed breakouts. So I got out of it there, and so overall my day trades were not that very good. I had 1 winner, 2 losers, but obviously the losers overtook the winning trades. So I have to come back tomorrow and give it another shot, as I always do. So that's it for now. I hope you guys can learn a little bit from my losses today, and realize that trades don't always work out the way you want. These are high probability setups, so they usually do go in your favor, but that wasn't the case today. So have a good rest of the day trading.